My name is Emmanuel Rodriguez, and this is my TED Talk presentation. My speaker is Robert Gupta, and the thesis of his speech is that music isn't just a pastime, it's more of a way of expression and a way of clearing one's mind. Or, as he stated in his speech, music is medicine, music is sanity. I feel he captured the audience's attention by making references to the movie The Soloist, which was a well known movie and popular at the time, and a movie that, even if you hadn't actually seen the movie itself, just by watching the trailer, you got a good enough backstory as to what it was about. And also by using a few jokes to try and break the ice between him and the audience. He maintained the audience's attention by continuing making jokes and throwing in um, a pun as well as humor and a bit of comical relief throughout his speech. The fourth TED commandment is definitely the one displayed best in his speech. Um, he told many stories, and all of them dealing with his experiences and his time with Nathaniel, who was schizophrenic, and how, in particular, on one day, he noticed a uneased look in Nathaniel's eyes, and once he started playing the violin, that look grew to become more of a calm look, and he saw Nathaniel change from looking like he was unhappy and getting ready to possibly go off the wall. And once the music of the once Robert started playing the violin, Nathaniel became more calm and more eased. I would give Robert a 3, and I feel he could have done a little better with grasping the audience's attention. He did okay, but there were certain dry moments that kind of lingered on for a short, yet at the same time, for the amount of time his speech went on, it was excessive amount of time. I found myself looking away or pondering, but still paying attention. Robert used Duarte's tip of storytelling perfectly. He was able to provide humor, seriousness, and just overall meaning with his stories. And his stories were versatile, and they brought about different emotions. There was humor, there was definitely some empathy within his stories, and I like the fact that he was able to make the audience feel different emotions throughout his speech. I learned that delivery is key in a presentation. It's not just the content you use to get your point across or the stories, but how you deliver those stories and the emotions you put into it. It's when giving your speech, I realized that it's not just what you say, it's how you say it and how you present yourself and the emotions you give off. I would say try to keep the audience as entertained as possible and present your speech in a way that will not only show how you connect to what you're saying, but at the same time help your audience connect to it and help them feel the emotions that you feel.